Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can mix or blend the overlay in CapCut. Alright, so first you are just going to select your current, for example, that's right, and select the overlay, put on top. So to blend or mix the overlay, go to basic. Scroll down until you find the blend option, just ignore it and select mode blend. Select the overlay and just border opacity here. Right, that's it. Right, so super simple. That's how you can blend the overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.